Hello, class. Well, welcome to week 2. We're starting our second week of class. Give yourselves a good hand clap. You guys did a great job in week 1. Great participation in the discussion board, especially since it was your first time. Great conversations. I want you to continue that flow in week 2. Remember that your discussion is due, your initial post is due Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. and then you have to respond to at least 2 other students by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Love the conversation. And remember, you can add to the conversation by finding videos or articles about the topic, um, giving your personal experience about the topic. All of these things are good to add to the conversation. You never know who you might help with your experiences or with additional information that you add. So please feel free to do that. Great job on the assignments. It was a good introduction to how to use Canvas and how to submit assignments. You all did a great job. I hope you learned something from our catalog. So let's move into week 2. Week 2, we're going to talk more about goal setting and financial literacy. Financial literacy is basically living off of a budget, understanding where you are financially. So we have some reading material and videos for you to watch in reference to that. And then in our discussion, this is a great video from Denver Broncos Reggie Rivers. Great video about setting goals and how to achieve those goals. You guys do not want to miss that. Excellent, excellent work. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys talk about in the discussion board. And this is also a good topic. Goal setting, you can always find other videos and other articles about goal setting and how to achieve your goals, how successful people achieve their goals. So if you want to add to the discussion board thread with that, please feel free to do so. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. And then you have 3 assignments this week. One, we're continuing on with setting long-term goals. These are your academic goals. So what do you hope to accomplish while you're going to Vista College, right? And then in assignment 2.2, you're going to create a budget for while you're in school. And then you need to write a summary about what you plan to do if you run into monetary issues while you're in school. And I know that can be hard, but it's better to have a plan in place than just wait until something happens. That's the whole benefit of budgeting and having a financial plan. What you see here is an example of a budget. You can follow this format or you can pull a template from somewhere else. If you have a budget already, you can use that. But this is just a format of how we want to see the budget, okay? And then 2.3 is a career services survey where you go in and answer a few questions for career services. A lot of times it says to take a screenshot of the last page. A lot of times that last page slips by us. If it does and you don't get to capture the last page, you can always go back into the survey and the survey screen will say you've taken this survey already. You could take a screenshot of that page and send it or submit it to your assignment. Real simple. If you have any questions about that, please do not hesitate to contact me, okay? Another thing, guys, if you have something going on during the week and you feel like you're going to be late, communicate with your instructor. Email me, text me, call me, and let me know so that we're aware of where you are. The other thing is be conscious of the fact that even though you can still turn in your work late, you do lose points if you submit your work after the week is up, so after Sunday. So you don't want to do that. And one more thing I want you to keep on your minds. You have to earn at least 700 points to pass this class. So you really don't want to get zeros. You want to try to submit every assignment that you have. So I want you to work hard and stay on track. Use good time management skills, right? And submit your work. No one should fail this class if they're doing all the work. Okay? All right. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a good week.